Here I've got some plants from courgette family, and as you see, some of the plants have got yellowing leaves. Others are okay. I've planted a few already which have yellowish leaves. That is due to my soil mixture, which is not good enough. Let's show you. This is my experimental mix that I'm doing for seedlings. So in this soil, there's not enough food for these plants for this long. So the ones which are smaller, they're still okay, and the bigger ones are struggling. So I'm moving them into soil, giving them water, and inshallah, in a few days they'll be alright. But that is a sign that there is not enough food for the plant in the soil that you have provided. That's about it for now.